Not many people can explain it in the right manner, but let's try to demystify past life regression. In essence, it's a journey. And like all outer journeys transform us, this particular journey is something within ourselves. It goes deep into our subconscious and tries to remove out some of the deep-rooted fears, concerns, traumas that are there rooted in our subconscious. So that's what it's all about. There are 4 particular journeys or 4 particular areas that we can go into. Any past life regressionist will guide you into one of these 4 areas. The first is your current life, childhood, the apparently forgotten years of a childhood between age 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly. Apparently forgotten, but it's there rooted somewhere within us. The second is the time between conception and birth, the time in the womb. Very powerful. And if you can really tap into that particular moments, it's what shapes a lot of our current attitudes and character. The third is our past lives, various past lives that we've had, difficult to understand but easy to experience. And using a particular sankalpa, you can step into a particular past life and come back. So that's the third. The last and the most powerful is lives between lives, or the time between when you possibly died in a particular past life and when you're reborn. That particular moment is when you have a lot of wisdom as an unborn soul, and a lot of wisdom can come in from the patient itself, healing them in the process. So these are the 4 areas. The first is the current childhood, then of course is the time in the womb, the past lives, as well as the time between lives.